Hi again. Childhood stanza 2. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? Now we have certain intuitive powers in us. When our mind says one thing, our heart says another thing, and then we try to create a synchronization. For example, elders often tell their children, don't lie, shh, don't lie, it's very bad, you should be always truthful. And what they do, many a times, knowingly or unknowingly, they teach their children, okay, tell them I'm not there, tell them I'm busy, when you're not. So the child somewhere realizes, okay, mama stops me to lie, but she herself is lying. So that feeling that the adults are hypocrites come in a child, and there are so many things here. In specific, Marcus Nathan is talking about love. What they talked of love and preached of love. We talk about love, huh? Love everyone, you should be modest, you should be generous, you should be compassionate, and preached of love also. We tell, okay, be affectionate, be polite, and what we do, hey, how did you do that? And we are not polite. So what we are hypocrites. Yes, we are. I'm admitting it, even I'm one of them. So we can't help it. But the child is facing that dilemma that adults are not doing what they are preaching. So he's saying they talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. They never act like that. So was that the time when they realized that the adults are not what they seem to be? So this paragraph, again, he's trying to find an answer. When did my childhood go? Was that the time when I realized that adults are hypocrites? Was that the time my childhood has gone because I had turned smarter? I was smart enough to understand that they do not mean what they are saying. So this is what second stanza talk about. Third stanza, next video.